Everybody, my name is Chakita and I am from CSIT branch. My roll number is 11. Now I will be discussing about my Tech Talk topic in data structures. My Tech Talk topic is software and dependencies in research citation graphs. Introduction. The digitalization of research changes research methods across disciplines and produces new forms of research and knowledge. In the process, research software has clearly become an integral part of digital research methodologies. It enables research knowledge, implements algorithms and models, and is a central component of digital knowledge implement scholarly integration and application. It thus presents a significant and increasingly vital intellectual contribution to academic research. Research software should therefore also be considered a legitimate research product. Research products have the most value and their outcomes can be understood most fully when they are considered in their context. This context is standardly provided through citation. Therefore, one aspect of research software gaining the status of a research product is that it must be integrated into the scholarly citation system. The citation system in currently digital scholarship is a technological system based on technical infrastructure and involves different stakeholders. Stakeholders include domain-specific communities of researchers who use software, research software engineers, and other software research developers whose research institutions, publishers, repository providers, index providers, and funders. Technically, infrastructure upon which the citation system is built most prominently include publications, repositories, citation indicates, and aggregators publishing service. Citation and socio-technology citation systems broadly provide the following functions. Context function. The provision of context for research products by establishing a graph for research products with links between the identified citing and cited products to enable traceability of outcomes over the past to understand how present knowledge was established and into the future to understand how present knowledge is being used. Social functions. The establishment of trust and authority, the recognition of the values of the research product while providing credit to these authors, the potential for evolution of individual researchers, products, journals, and research groups, institutions, and countries. Compliance function. The assertion of compliance with good scholarly practice. Discursive function. The organization of shaping of discourses of scholarly credibility, authority, and relevance through epistemic change via dynamically rewriting the past. Reproducibility function. The enablement of research reproducibility through correct and complete citation. Research citation graph. Research products and the reference between them can be modeled as a direct graphs. G1 is equal to V, E, where V is the set of vertices or nodes and E is the set of products. The edges represent reference relations between source and nodes, the cited products. This most basic model of a research citation graph, RCG, enables the context function of citation. It helps understand that what other research products a specific product relied on or has led to forward tracking in order to build on this understanding in research or conduct evaluation or measurement. Both tracking methods can be implemented as graph transversal, where backtracking follows outgoing edges and forward tracking allows incoming edges. The model also enables the social functioning of establishing trust and authority, where it is based on the citation acknowledgement, trustworthy or authoritative research products rather than establishing reference to their authors. In order to fully exploit the social citation function, RCGs must model additional properties of research products. The provision of academic credit requires the inclusion of author notes and authorship relations between them and research product, as does the establishment of trust and authority if it is based on individuals. Evaluation requires the inclusion of two classes of entity notes: affiliations, research group, institutions, countries, etc., and respect to affiliations, relations between them and authors. Product containers, journals, edited volumes, repositories, archives, etc., are respective published in part of relations between them and research products. The model graph changes accordingly. Let P be the set of all vertices P1 to Pn which represents research products. A, the set of all vertices A1 to An which represent authors. I be the set of all vertices I1 to In which represent evaluable author affiliations, and C, the set of all vertices C1 to Cn represent the entities which contain research products. Let V be the set of disjoint sets PAIC of vertices in RCG G2 is equal to V, E. Let L define L V to V to set L of V is equal to P when V belongs to P belongs to V. L of V belongs to A when V belongs to A belongs to V. L of V is equal to I when V belongs to I belongs to V. L of V belongs to C when V belongs to C belongs to V. This is the diagrammatic representation of the following data. Challenges for the installation of RCGs. This is a process yields requirements for an implementation of software citation, which also reflects the software citation principles. Publications and publication metadata include references are available digitally and metadata are machine actionable. Research products duly and correctly cite references including software in publications. Publications are uniquely identifiable through a machine actionable. Contributors, research institutions and other evaluable entities as well as publication platforms can be duplicated, that is, are uniquely identifiable. Applications of research citation graphs. RCGs enable different analysis of the context of research products. Backtracking, exploration, citation tracking, tracking of concept citation, contribute role analysis, self-citation analysis, software development practice, credit of hidden contribution to research, retrieval of transitive credit, etc. are the functions or the applications of research citation graphs. Thank you for giving me such a wonderful opportunity.